My glow up window closed after 30. I kicked the room down. This isn't just a try-on. This is what it looks like when a woman refuses to disappear. A few years ago, I remembered that I looked in my closet and I just couldn't see myself anymore. Not because it was empty, but because I was. So I started small. One piece, one moment, one memory of who I used to be. I didn't have the budget for a glow up. I had Zara sales, thrift stores, my own forgotten pieces. But I also had something stronger. I had fire. And this time, I wasn't dressing to hide. I styled this $8 skirt like it was Dior because confidence has nothing to do with price tags and everything to do with memory. When I put this on, I remembered I used to turn heads, that I used to feel dangerous, that I wasn't always shrinking. This look isn't about being trendy. It's about being unforgettable for me. Latinas are taught to be humble, to dress respectfully, to stay quiet after 40. But I was born loud. I was born to be seen. And I'm not dressing for invisibility anymore. Every outfit in this video wasn't about fashion. It was about survival. It was about memory. It was about refusing to be erased. Over 40, broke, no stylist, and still that girl. You didn't need permission to glow up. Just a piece that makes you walk like you never left. Drop your power piece in the comments. Let's remind him that we're still here. And we're dangerous now.